Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand, one of the principals here at Don's Appliances, joined today by Beth Chevron of Whirlpool Corporation.
Thanks for having me.
Welcome. And Beth is going to just go over some of the brands that Whirlpool offers. And the first brand we're really going to dive into is Whirlpool itself.
Yep.
So who is Whirlpool brand directed towards?
Yeah, so the Whirlpool brand, the purpose is we want to simplify and improve the life at home for our customers. When we think of a Whirlpool consumer, oftentimes we're thinking of families, and that family can look many different ways. Maybe you have multiple generations in the home, maybe a single parent. But we're going to have features within our products that make those tasks simplified so that you get more time with your family and less time worrying about cleanup or cooking or whatever it may be.
So like on a cooking product, what is a really, really cool feature that you like, let's say on a range or a wall oven?
Yeah, so one feature that we have would be our frozen bake feature. With the frozen bake, it eliminates the need for preheating the oven. So typically you would, turn on the preheat, step away, wait for it to heat up, then you have to come back and put in your food for it to cook. With frozen bake, it eliminates that need to have to come back because it slowly ramps up the temperature so that you can simply put the food in when you start the oven, and again, it's taking one step out of the cooking process for our customers.
And it's kind of like a quick defrost, right? When you say slowly ramping up, so it's like a defrost option.
Yes, and you're gonna still get some, crisp cooking. If it's your pizza or lasagna, you're gonna get that crisp cooking. It's not gonna be soggy or anything like that.
And we all value our time, and that's a great way to cut down on just waiting around for that oven to preheat.
Right.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
We're all learning something today, so that's good. And let's say on a refrigerator, what's a great feature on a Whirlpool refrigerator?
Yeah, so for Whirlpool refrigeration, on some of our products, we have a measured fill option. So within the external water and ice, you can actually select the amount of water that you want to dispense. So we look at, it could be in ounces, it could be in cups or liters, and that way you can even preset a few of the settings so that if you're doing something every day, like filling up a coffee pot or a water bottle, you're able to simply press that preset and it will give you the right fill every time.
And for those of us that are trying to get 64 ounces of water a day, we can get we can get those precise measurements with that with that fill option. That's great. And on most, if not all, dispensing Whirlpool refrigerators, those are filtered?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so we have filtered water, which is great. On a dishwasher, what's a cool feature on a Whirlpool dishwasher?
Ooh, great question. We have a lot of different features to kind of help with the organization within the dishwasher. So that could be from certain cup holders. We have a third level rack that allows you to separate utensils from other dishes, but it gives you some of that customization within that dishwasher because you may be washing all different kinds of things like, say, bottles or large pans for a big family, things like that.
What I like about the third rack is that's the place that you can put small items, right?
Right.
So if you have kids, you can put sippy cup lids on that top, keep it away from that heating element at the bottom, or water bottles, right? The water bottle lids, you can put those on top. So that's what I really like about that third rack.
Yeah.
And on washers, right? I know there's a great feature that's new to Whirlpool. So what is that feature?
Yep, I am always excited to talk about this. So Whirlpool has the industry's first 2-in-1 removable agitator. Essentially, it allows customers to choose whether they want to use an agitator or an impeller for washing their clothes. giving them that flexibility that with an agitator, you're going to be able to get out some of those tougher soiled items, maybe jeans, towels, but then you can also simply remove that agitator, get a little bit more capacity within the tub, and you can use it for like a comforter, something that might be a little bulkier, or some of your delicate items that's not going to have as much of that agitation on them.
And we've done videos of the differences between a impeller versus an agitator. And, you know, we have customers that want that extra capacity, right. So they want that impeller so they don't have that agitator in the center taking up a lot of space. But conversely, agitators do clean better because you've got more wash action, and agitators cause that rollover effect of bringing clothes from the top of the machine to the bottom, where they're going to get more action. So Whirlpool's giving you the best of both worlds. No need to really decide when buying a product. Just pop it out, right? One turn and out it comes.
Just lift it and twist. And we've even done a really cool demo with the product where we have a crane that actually lifts the unit up just by that agitator to truly show how durable and the quality of it. So you know that you're getting a good quality wash with a product that's not going to break on you.
And does Whirlpool, what new products are being introduced or coming out very soon?
So the 2-in-1 is one that I always like to talk about, but that is on the market today. We do have it in our 5 and 8 series, and we probably will be bringing that feature a little bit more throughout the lineup. We also have a new completely flush microwave that's going to allow you to have a very seamless look between the over the range microwave and your cabinetry. Another one is our 4-door refrigerator, which has been out for a little bit now, but it's just a different new configuration to Whirlpool that allows you to separate the items within the refrigerator.
I'm going to actually just jump back to that microwave, right? So that is a huge, huge release because standard microwaves today are 15 inches deep.
Right.
They're really deep. So what that means for you folks at home, so your wall cabinets are 12 inches deep. The microwaves today are sticking way out past your cabinetry.
Right.
So with that flush, it's going to give you that look that you would expect or want, kind of like a cabinet depth refrigerator.
Exactly.
You know, you're not going to see the side of a microwave in your kitchen, so that's a really cool feature benefit. So I'm really happy that that somebody's finally recognized that we need that. So, and the new configuration on the 4-door, that's great. I know that with the 4-door option, you're going to have a lot more flexibility, which, you know, listening to consumers, that's always a good thing.
Exactly.
But if you have any questions, you know, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to donsappliances.com. We've got online chat people that are available from 8 in the morning till 10 at night. If you hit our in-stock page, you'll see what Whirlpool products we have in stock, ready for next day delivery. And as always, thank you for watching. Beth, thank you for joining and listening. Thanks.